Hello friends, hope you're all having an amazing day. So, when you're in India and planning to study abroad, the most important question we ask to ourselves is which course to prefer. What courses have enough job opportunities in Canada? Can it help me in landing a good job? What is the scope of that course in that particular country? This is what we ask to ourselves, right? Yes. So if you're coming Canada and want to pursue PG diploma, which is post graduation diploma, and looking for an immediate job after completion of post grad, this video is for you. Through this video, I'll be letting you know about top 5 booming courses for mechanical engineering graduates. I repeat, mechanical engineering graduates that has immediate job openings and huge requirement in the companies of Canada. Let's not get any time wasted. Let's begin the show. So, the course number 1, CAD/CAM technician or mechanical designers. What is CAD/CAM? I know you guys are pretty much aware of it, but just repeating it again for some purpose. So, CAD/CAM stands for Computer Aided Design and Computer Aided Manufacturing. We have so many different types of designing softwares like SolidWorks, CATIA, AutoCAD, etc. that falls under CAD/CAM. So, CAD/CAM software is used to design and manufacture prototypes, finished products, and production runs. So, why CAD/CAM? The fact you need to know is Canada holds so many manufacturing companies and the companies do so many new product researches and optimize existing products, designing new tools. So, the research is initially carried in the labs and the designing part is done using the CAD softwares. And in order to build a product, a manufacturing setup is definitely needed. In Canada, majority of industries has CNC setups. In order to program a manufacturing process, specifically CNC machining, CAM software is needed. A CAM software uses the models and assemblies created in CAD software to generate tool paths that drive machine tools to turn designs into physical parts. So, now did you understand why to learn CAD/CAM softwares? I'll tell you the most used softwares in Canada, especially Ontario. I insist to learn these softwares in India itself because it's a bit costlier in here. So, designing softwares are number 1, AutoCAD, number 2, SolidWorks, number 3, NX, number 4, CATIA. I'm 100% confident if you learn any 2 of the mentioned softwares, you will definitely land up with an immediate job. And coming to the manufacturing softwares, in order to do like CNC programming, we would need a CAM software. So, these are top 5 CAM softwares in Canada. Number 1, Mastercam, number 2, GibbsCAM, number 3, Fusion 60, number 4, NXCAM, number 5, Solid Edge. If you master in above softwares, you can also apply for manufacturing technician jobs which are also in demand. Now the course number 2, Quality Control Technician or Engineer. What is quality control? Since Canada is a hub of so many manufacturing companies, when the product is manufactured, before it reaches the customers, to ensure if the product quality is met with the standard requirement of the customer, a department is needed and it is a quality control department. The quality control involves testing of units or products and determine if they are within the specifications for the final product. So why quality control? What if you have a manufacturing company and send the qualityless manufactured parts to the customer? The result would be you will remain with no orders again, right? So you need to satisfy customer by maintaining quality eventually in the process of manufacturing. The whole purpose is to determine any needs for corrective actions in manufacturing process. Good quality control helps companies meet customer demands for better products. Now you understand why there is a demand for QC technicians or engineers. I'll tell you the certifications and courses that helps you to get into one of the best companies in quality field. Number 1, GD&T. Number 2, Certified Quality Engineer Certificate. Number 3, Lean Manufacturing. Number 4, Six Sigma, Green Belt and Black Belt certifications. Number 5, learn how to use micrometers, height gauges, vernier calipers, go gauges. Course number 3, Millwright Technician. The Millwright course has currently huge demand. You can definitely land with a great paying job if you are successful in this course. Trust me. So, what is Millwright means? I have been telling you all the time that the manufacturing companies in Canada are numerous. These companies are equipped with robust machines and the machine needs to be maintained well, so they hire millwright technicians. Why Millwright course? Millwrights install, maintain, repair, and troubleshoot stationary industrial machinery and mechanical equipment in sites such as factories, production plants, and recreational facilities. Since every factory needs machine installation and maintenance, they hire few millwright technicians and pay absolutely good amount of wage. Few of the jobs they do are fit bearings, align gears and shafts, attach motors, and connect couplings and belt to precise tolerances, align and test equipment and make any necessary adjustments, repair or replace defective parts, service and repair hydraulic and pneumatic systems. Certifications. So in order to get a right job in this particular field, you need to have a general machinist certification. This is 100% needed. Course number 4, supply chain and procurement. Supply chain is basically considered as evergreen course in Canada. For suppose if we have 100% goods and service based companies in Canada, out of them 60% are manufacturing companies and undergoes everyday supply chain operations. That's why you see so many trucks traveling to USA from Canada and vice versa. And one more fact is there is huge demand for truck driving jobs as well. Since that's a different topic, I'll get there in the other video. So what is supply chain and procurement? Supply chain and procurement are basically two different domains. So firstly, supply chain includes moving and transforming raw materials into finished products, transporting those products and distributing them to the customers. Whereas procurement involves purchasing goods and services, talking to the vendors, negotiating the prices. Why supply chain? The supply chain and procurement course from Canada is widely accepted and it is across globe and it is in high demand. They end up working as a supply chain analyst, procurement specialist or engineer, supply chain manager or procurement manager. Skills needed are MS Office tools like Excel, Word, PPT. Epic CPIM is an added advantage certificate. I say this is the best certificate to get if you are seeking career in supply chain management and procurement. Course number 5, project management. This is the most easiest yet challenging course, I would say. Easiest because we apply quite less technology. Challenging because of satisfying the deadlines. So what is project management? Project management involves the planning and organization of a company's resources to move a specific task, event or duty towards completion. It can involve a one-time project or an ongoing activity, and resources managed include personnel, finances, technology and intellectual property. Why project management? Because project managers can basically move into any other field like from mechanical to civil, mechanical to software or petroleum, mining, etc. And this course is basically preferred by individuals who want to go easy with studies and obtain a great job. So the skills needed are, it's important to know what is Gantt chart, PERT chart, CPA and CPM. I'll leave these terms like this. You can do a bit research to know more or you can leave a comment. So here are 5 courses that helps you land a good job in Canada if you're from mechanical background. In the next video, I'll be telling you which colleges have these courses. So please subscribe and stay tuned. I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and bye.